These are the jars in our seed lab of different varieties of seed that we've cleaned or screened. And you will see in the lab, we're just going to give you a quick tour. We have several hand screens over here, different sizes, all many different sizes. These come from wire mesh to punched material to a slotted punched material. And then we have these units available for sale. We sell new ones, and from time to time we get used ones. These are a tabletop seed cleaner. It gives you 2 screens and an air wash. So if you had this beet seed with one of these, you would have a scalp screen in the top and then the 5.5 round hole in the bottom. The top screen would remove anything larger than your beet seed, and the bottom screen would remove everything smaller than your beet seed, which is what the Brassica seeds are. And you'd get an air wash here, and what it blows out would be caught here with all the pans. This has all the pans for it. So these are very helpful in your operation. There's several screens. These are just our screens that we have. Several sizes of them right over here in our bookshelf that are available that can be purchased. We sell those new. We also have good used sets from time to time. This is a tabletop waterfall aspirator that can come in handy. We don't have any of these for sale at the moment, but there's many different small machines that will work for your crops. And we're going to turn around here. We have a glass wall Carter Day fractionating aspirator here. Gives you 4 different cuts of the seed you're cleaning. We have one of these for sale right now. Then you can also get a velvet roll mill. It's hard to show you this. This removes rough coated from smooth coated. This is a hand crank for small samples or small batches of seed. So these are many things that you might come across that you need with what you're doing. But we're going to show you now how we cleaned your beet seed. Okay, what I've done here, I've got a excuse me, a 9x9 screen, 6 round, 5.5 round, and a blank. This is how I clean seed. I try to get the very best stuff first, so we're doing sifting operations here. We're going to get 2 grades. You're going to get your best beet seed, biggest beet seed on the number, staying on top of the number 6. Then you'll get another grade on the 5.5. And at the end, if you want to blend them back together, that's fine. This is just how I do it, and I have pretty good success. So we put your sample on here, and we're going to shake it back and forth because the seeds that you showed me, the Brassica seeds, are smaller than the beet seeds. So there we would have our number 6 round hole that stayed on top. That should be Brassica free. Then we have what fell through to the 5.5 right there. And then we have the Brassica seeds separated here on the thing. Then we restack them back up. We get some more. And just repeat the process. You would need 2 screens probably and a blank so you catch what you drop out. Of course, if you've got 70 pounds, this is going to take a while. Eventually you may want to upgrade to an office tester. You can do this, move it around, shake it, and then we would do that again. Put that down. Here's the 5.5, what it kept. And you may want to put that back in, but it could have a big Brassica in it maybe. And then here is the Brassica seeds again, right there. These are the older 9x9s, brand new. You're going to get 12 by 12 inches because that's all they make now. So you'll be able to get more seed on it and shake it quicker. So we'll box this up. We'll send it all back to you. And you can order the screens from Samuel, pressing number 2 on the menu of our phone, and he can get you set up with the order. I'm going to upload this now so you can see it.